Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Vector Accessories is probably one of the most sought-after upgrades for Anki Vector robot owners, promising to significantly boost its functionality and entertainment value. From expanding its interactive capabilities to enhancing its aesthetic appeal, these accessories unlock a whole new level of engagement with your favorite little robot companion, transforming it from a simple toy into a truly personalized and interactive experience. Number 5. 3.7V503040 battery for Cozmo. This high-capacity battery is perfect for your Cozmo Vector robot, Skybell doorbell, or other compatible devices. It provides reliable power and long-lasting performance. With a 620 mAh capacity and 2.29 Wh power, it keeps your devices running smoothly. Its compact size of 5 by 30 by 40.5 mm makes it easy to install. It's built with premium components, including a large-capacity A+ lithium battery and a protective circuit board. This ensures safety against overcharging, overdischarging, and short circuits. It's compatible with a wide range of devices. If your device has a different connector, you can easily solder the wires or use our heat shrink tubing. We stand behind our product. If you experience any quality issues within 1 year, contact us for a replacement. Enjoy peace of mind with our warranty. This battery offers a reliable and safe power solution for your electronics. Upgrade your devices today. What we like. It boasts a high capacity and advanced safety features, preventing common battery issues. If your Vector robot needs a reliable power boost, this is the perfect choice. Its compatibility extends beyond just Vector. It's suitable for various 3.7-5V devices under 2.3 Wh. What people say. Worked great for my Skybell video camera. Easy to install. Works great in Cozmo toys. Perfect fit. Worked great to replace my failing Anki Cozmo battery from 5 years ago. The double capacity is a great plus. Number 4. Hermitshell Anki Vector Case. This case is designed to perfectly fit your Anki Vector robot. It's the ultimate protection for your beloved robot friend. It provides robust protection against bumps, scratches, and drops. Keep it safe wherever you go. The precision design ensures a snug fit, keeping your robot secure inside. No more worries about it moving around. Simply place your robot inside and close the case. It's that easy to protect your investment. Take it with you on your adventures. It's compact and portable, ideal for travel and storage. Made from durable, high-quality materials, it's built to last. Protecting your robot for years to come. What we like. This case provides robust protection during travel and storage. If you're looking for a way to keep your Vector safe from bumps and scratches while on the go, this is a must-have. Its compact design makes it easy to transport your robot anywhere. What people say. Used for Vector the robot. Nice carry case to keep him safe in travels. Most efficient use of space and easy to pack. Nice material. El material del bolto es robusto y está revestido de un material que se siente de calidad en la mano. Los compartimentos son justos para el robot, tal y como se ve la foto de la publicación, es Decor para el robot mismo, su base de carga y su tubo de jugar y additional o accesorio pequeño en la parte superior. Number 3. IPG Vector Robot Decal Kit. Give your Vector robot a fun, personalized makeover with this amazing decal kit. It's the perfect way to protect it and make it uniquely yours. This kit includes everything you need to fully protect your Vector screen and body from scratches and bumps. It's designed for long-lasting protection. The decals are precisely cut and easy to apply, making it a fun activity for the whole family. No special skills are required. With 7 different decals for the body and wheels, you can customize your Vector to match your style. Let your creativity shine. It's a great way to spend quality time with your kids, improving their fine motor skills while personalizing your robot. Get creative together. We're so confident in the quality of this kit that we offer a lifetime guarantee. Enjoy peace of mind knowing it's protected. Don't let your Vector look like everyone else's. Personalize it with this fun and easy-to-use decal kit. Order yours today. What we like. It offers a fun and engaging way to personalize your vector and protect its screen. If you want to add a unique touch to your robot and safeguard it from accidental damage, this kit is ideal. The activity of applying the decals is also great for improving kids' fine motor skills. What people say. We love the appearance of Vector with the protector kit. Easy sticker application. Now my little buddy looks like a Stark Industries product. Racing stripes for my robot. Awesome. Number 2. IPG Vector Robot Decor Kit. Give your Vector robot a unique makeover with our fun and easy-to-use decal kit. It's the perfect way to personalize your robot and make it stand out from the crowd. This kit includes screen protectors to safeguard it from scratches and unexpected bumps. Keep your robot looking its best for longer. It's a great activity for kids and adults alike. The precisely cut decals make decorating a breeze. Our durable vinyl decals are designed to last, providing long-lasting protection and style for your Vector. This kit offers comprehensive protection, including decals for the wheels and body, as well as screen protectors. It's everything you need to keep your robot safe and stylish. We're so confident in the quality of our product that we offer a lifetime guarantee. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your purchase is protected. Make your Vector truly unique with our stylish decals. Express your personality and create a robot that's all your own. What we like. It offers a fun and engaging way to personalize your Vector and protect its screen. If you want to add a unique touch to your robot and safeguard it from accidental damage, this kit is ideal. The activity of applying the decals is also great for improving kids' fine motor skills. What people say. Glad it came with 2 face shields, ruined first one fussing with the lower flap part that would protect below the camera. I trimmed off the flap part on the second shield and applied it. Worked much better. Caution, use a piece of Scotch tape to cover Vector's head vents at the top. The screen is a wet application, and water will damage the unit if it drips into the vents. The thin gold stickers worked better, applied to his wheels without issues. Number 1. IPG Vector Robot Decor Kit. Give your Vector robot a fun, personalized makeover with this easy-to-use decal kit. It's the perfect way to protect it and make it unique. This kit includes 7 beautifully designed decals for the body and wheels of your robot. Express your creativity and make your Vector stand out from the crowd. Worried about scratches? Don't be. This kit also includes 2 protective screen protectors to keep your Vector's face looking pristine. Each decal is precisely cut to fit your Vector perfectly. Application is simple and fun for the whole family. It's a great activity for kids, improving their fine motor skills while personalizing their favorite robot. A lifetime guarantee ensures lasting protection. We're so confident in the quality of this kit that we offer a lifetime guarantee on the protective screen guard. Enjoy peace of mind knowing it's protected. Safeguard your Vector from accidental scratches and bumps with this comprehensive kit. It's the perfect blend of style and protection. What we like. It offers a fun and engaging way to personalize your Vector and protect its screen. If you want to add a unique touch to your robot and safeguard it from accidental damage, this kit is ideal. The activity of applying the decals is also great for improving kids' fine motor skills. What people say. This little decoration kit is perfect. My Vector is now pink. The stickers were fairly easy to install once Vector's battery is dead. My Vector is now super cute. I even changed his eye color to match his new decals. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.